Hi guys, welcome to the second part of this course. The fun will begin by planning and learning how to build our first networking application, a simple command line subnet calculator that, using an IP address and a subnet mask given by the user, will return 5 parameters, as you can read in the README file attached to this lecture. So we will have the network address, the broadcast address, the number of valid hosts, the wildcard mask, and the number of mask bits. Finally, our subnet calculator should be able to generate a random IP address from the subnet in which our IP address resides. Sounds pretty cool. Let's see it in action now. So, this is the code right here. I saved this file into my working directory. Now let's run it. So, Python subnet calculator final.py. Okay, first you ask the user to enter an IP address. So let's say 192.168.2.100. Then you ask for a subnet mask, let's say 255.255.255.0. Next, the program shows the network address, the broadcast address, the number of valid hosts, which is 254, the wildcard mask, and finally the number of mask bits. Nice. Now the program asks the user if it should generate a random IP address from this subnet. If you type Y for yes, then a random IP address is generated, and the program returns to the same question. Maybe the user wants several addresses from that subnet to be generated. If you type N for no, then the program quits. Now, having this application overview in mind, let's dive into planning and analyzing the code.